Okay, so we have a microwave here, and I have gloves on because we're gonna be breaking it. So yeah, let's get this part started. Opens up like that. I don't know what that is. Oh, I just tripped all over. Okay, that's broken. And I don't. Yeah, this is like glass, so I don't want to break the glass and have glass everywhere. Not yet, at least. This will be the finale. Actually, wait. Yeah, I don't think that's yeah, that's plastic, not glass, so we can break this. Oh, damn. There's the key things. There's all the... Ew, this thing is nasty. I got this off the side of the road, so it's not mine. And if you didn't know, most of the stuff I destroy is stuff that people are throwing out and they leave on the curb. This is an example. This is not my microwave. That just broke the damn... what's it called? Oh yeah, this is a rival one, and I just smelled it. This thing was... Oh my god, look at all that roach shit. Oh my god. Glad I didn't bring this thing inside. That hurt my ears. Curb stomp. There we go. Ugh. That is nasty. Well, there goes the other half of the board, so this thing is useless. Look, it's the guts of the system. That is nasty. Look at that. It's that is all roach shit. Oh my god, what the fuck? That is. If I'm being honest, I thought this thing would be a lot easier. I would set this thing, wait, you can't even see it. I would set this thing on fire, but I don't really want to do that right now because I can't. Ew, like look at that. I need that for the thumbnail actually. I'm also not trying to get roach shit all over myself and all over my house and in the grass. So, I don't know, we're gonna keep breathing it for now. Alright, now time for a thumbnail shot. Well, yeah, there's all the crap, and I got crap all over my gloves. No wonder why they were throwing this piece of shit out. I was thinking about plugging it in, but I'm glad I didn't do that earlier. I actually cut the cord off. So it was a free video and some free rage. Thanks for watching.